As the race is about to start, you hear the commentator counting you down, telling you have 5 seconds until the tone. Palms are sweating, heart's pounding, but you have to really try and focus and just keep still. Then you hear the nice loud beep, and you just launch as hard as you can, hope that you make it through the gate. And as soon as you do, you're fully focusing on the next turn, trying to stay as tight to the gate as possible, trying to not hit anyone. And yeah, you're just using as much throttle as you can, going as fast as you can, and really flying your own race. So my name is Pedro Caceres. I'm a mechanical engineering undergraduate trying to pursue a +1 degree, and I race drones. I got into drone racing in late 2017 after I saw a show on the Drone Racing League. I went and ordered a small drone online, flew that for all of the winter, and then got into the bigger ones as the spring came along. The first race that I went to was my senior year of high school, and I was horrible at that time. I was flying a drone meant for recording video, not for racing. I had never gone through gates, so it was quite the struggle. I had my antenna on the drone come loose, and so the video that I received in the goggles was horrendous. I came dead last, but I had so much fun that I kept on going. It takes a lot of practice, grinding, commitment, a lot of time rebuilding the drones because they crash so much. I put a lot of effort into the drones that I build, so I can really trust them and have full faith in them. In my whole drone career, I'd say I've built between like 40 and 60, and just a testament to how much I crash. I've been hit by other drones several times. My drone has been hit by other drones several times. I have been hit by my drone. They go anywhere between 0 to 100 plus miles an hour. A lot of people, when they're starting off flying drones, they get very dizzy and nauseous, but once you practice for a bit, it goes away and you just become one with the drone. Back in 2019, there was a race in a Boston warehouse. That was my first place. It was in the amateur class, but it was my first real win, and it was like a really big motivator to keep practicing and getting better. And then in the collegiate championship this past April, I came in first, which was a really hard battle with one of the top pilots who got 4th place in the nationals last year. So I was very excited. The thing I like most about Northeastern is the people in late high school. I met some students at a drone race. They were actually the leaders of Northeastern's drone club, and talking over the different choices for college that I had, they helped me land here. And then also took me in as part of the drone club, and I eventually came to become a leader of it. Just the whole drone racing thing has been one hell of a ride. I wrote my college essay about drones, so they've really been the main part of my life for so many years now. My name is Pedro Caceres, and this is my narrative.